All right, here we go. So we got the bumper here. I'll show you real quick. That's the bottom of the bumper. I already made a cut, relief cut. I'm gonna put a mesh right over here, shape it to this kind of shape here, and it's gonna go all the way across, but it's gonna be mesh. I can use that. The only way I can make that mesh is I use the same pattern that I cut. See, I cut this out, and then what I do is I take the mesh and I just form it. Just put this over this piece, form it, and then basically take this out, and it's gonna have the shape of that mold that I just did. It's gonna have that, you know, the lines just like that, and it's gonna go right over. That's easy to do. I can do that. Now I gotta build brackets to hold it up to the bumper, because this is a plastic cover, and then here's the bumper. And I just gotta bracket that up to hold it in place, and then make sure I hold this up to this here so they won't be flapping in the wind. So I just gotta do brackets on the bottom also, and we're good to go. All right, just giving you a heads up.